everybody, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a product review. This is the Altra MG104 heavy-duty electric meat grinder. The MG104 comes with everything you see here, including 2 stainless steel blades and 3 grinding plates for fine, medium, and coarse. All of the accessories except this cleaning brush will fit inside the push rod, including the sausage stuffer. This is a device for making kibbe or kibbe, or I don't know how to pronounce it, and I've never had it, but apparently this is some Middle Eastern dish. And then you can put all 3 grinding plates in here. Both blades, they're a little slippery because they were packed in oil. And put the top on, all your accessories are stored away, and then this can just go on the front here. Ultralife says the MG104 won't have any problems grinding up beef or poultry, venison, pork, whatever you have, even small bones like chicken bones, rabbit bones, quail bones. I don't know why you would want to grind up small bones, but maybe there's a good reason. Ultralife claims the MG104 will grind up to 10 pounds per minute. That seems incredibly fast to me. I'm going to have to see it to believe it. But just in case, there is overheating circuit protection. All of the materials are 100% BPA free and ETL certified. It easily disassembles for hand washing, but don't put it in the dishwasher. There is a 2-year warranty on this item, and they say it is incredibly easy to use. And I believe it because there are only 2 buttons, on, off, and reverse. For my smash burgers, I would like my meat to be medium coarseness. So I'm going to pull out one of the blades. Well, I'll have to pull out both of the blades, but I'm only going to use one. And this medium coarseness grinding plate. And I'll just put the rest back in here just to keep them out of the way. I didn't read the instructions. I did skim them though, and the one word of advice that they give you is to make sure the blades face forward. I don't know which direction forward means. It would be very helpful if there was some kind of printing on this to say which is back and which is front. I'm guessing this is the front, this is the side that should be facing forward, and the smooth side will be backwards. So we'll give that a try. I'm going to put the blade on first. It's as far back as it can go. And then I'm going to put on this grinding plate. There is a notch here, and there's kind of a notch in the base here. So I'm just going to hold this on, put this here. Hopefully this will work. It feels like it is in place. My daughter actually made this cutting board in shop class, and I hate to use it because it's so pretty, especially when I'm cutting this meat. But if I don't use it, then it kind of goes to waste. So I'm going to use it and just hopefully be able to clean it later. The meats I'm going to use for my hamburger are short ribs, chuck roast, and brisket. Is this a good combination? I don't know. First, I'm going to trim them up just to make sure that there aren't any excessively hard bits like bones or cartilage or something. And then cut up smaller pieces so that it's more of an even distribution when I grind them up. If it sounds like I know what I'm doing, I do not, but this is how we learn, right? I think my approach will be a piece of short rib, a piece of fat, a piece of brisket, and then 4 pieces of the roast. We'll see how that goes. Let's power up the Ultralife MG104 by hitting the power button. Ooh. That is fast. Wow. All done. It's a little loud, but that was very fast. Was it 10 pounds per minute? No, not for me, but I would almost believe it because what did I have? I had 3 pounds of chuck roast, 2 pounds of brisket, and 2 pounds of short ribs, 7 pounds. Of course, I had to trim the bones out, so less than 7 pounds, but that was very fast. It was faster than I expected. Took me longer than a minute, but I think it was just because I was feeding it in slow. What am I going to do with all this hamburger? Well, I'll use some of it tonight for my smash burgers, and the rest I will portion out and vacuum seal for another time. The Ultralife MG104 is a fantastic product. I love how fast it was and how all of the accessories fit inside this push rod. It completely disassembles for hand washing. Once again, do not put this in the dishwasher, and especially do not put the base anywhere near water. You just want to wash the pieces that touch the meat. I am giving the Ultralife MG104 a 5 out of 5 star rating. I love this thing.